Okay, one of the, for specifying heat exchangers, apart from all the mechanicals that the consultants will put in the specification, they pull out some old specs which always gives us equal flow rates between condenser and cooling tower flow rates. And I've asked in the past, why? No one can answer this. Consultants just say, oh, we've always done it that way. And I asked the question, why? And so if we were allowed to add, say, 5 or 10% increase to the cooling tower flow rate, the size of the heat exchanger could actually drop by about 20%. And in one of my AHRI presentations, I actually show consultants how that is manifested. And if they were to look at that as a summertime option, normally the heat exchanger can get smaller for its average running, and they just basically increase the tower flow rate by 5 or 10% and maintain the required heat load from the same heat exchanger. So it is actually a benefit if they would allow a small manipulation on the cooling tower side to give them the best answer, because the heat exchanger gets smaller, it's a lower investment. Moreover, if you're talking about heat exchangers which are 4 or 5 tonne in weight, if you save 20% in area, you take off a tonne of weight. So now the floor calculation gets less, the plinth it sits on gets less. It all adds up. One of the advantages that Masterflow have is that they can sit down with the consultant and map out the variation in pump capacity and design the heat exchanger to meet those variations. So there's a good optimization between the two parties that come up with a better solution, not just one item or the other, but combined. And overall, it should be a saving for everyone.